Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to do some bami. So I'm gonna prepare my cassava and I'll take you through the process, so just stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. And the grater used to make my one lamb bowl with 2 foot. I will put the pan down and put the grater in it. So we have it whole under our belly also, so we can use it 2 times. out the juice. That is the juice. When it settles, the can starch closes with it. So I'm gonna let this air out, and then I get it sieve and bake the bami, but you will see the process. Guys, this is not this right thing to sieve it, but I don't have the cassava sieve, so I'm using it. This need a rougher sieve, but this is all I have for now, so I have to use it. Okay guys, this is the finishing bit. This is what I get because it's not a cassava sieve I use, it's a strainer. So this is the finish, and this is the head that it is, because this is kind of rough, but this, if you have a mortar, you can beat this in the mortar and get it finer and get more out of it. I don't have a mortar, so is spice now, so you have to, if you're using the bitter cassava, you have to squeeze out the juice well good out of it, and you have to let it air out. You put it outside to air out for at least a whole day. If you do it like early in the morning, you put it out and you can bake your bami in the evening. Or if you do it in the evening, you'll leave it in your kitchen, let it air out. When you wake in the morning, you put it outside and let it air out, and then you can bake your bami in the evening. And this is the starch. After this is the starch from the liquid. And this starch, you can use it, can mix it with water, and you can use it to starch clothes and so forth. Alright, this is where I'm gonna bake the bami. I don't have the bami iron and I don't have the hook. The hook is a round thing like this. So I make this one out of file paper to use for the time being. It is not perfect, but this is my finished touch. I have 3 bamis. So I'm gonna sample a piece for you and this. It's good, really good. You can try this if you have cassava. You don't have to buy bami out there, you can do it yourself. It's good. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.